This is the last program in our problem solving section of work. So first of all, I've created a game. In the game there are 10 monsters and you have to guess where they are hidden. You've got 20 guesses to do it. If you get all 10 correct, you win. And if you use your 20 guesses, you lose. So the first thing to do is to try playing the game.
I want you to try playing the game again, but this time try and answer the following questions. How does the game work? What are the current issues? What are the logical errors? And how would you make more efficient code? How would your design differ? And how would you make it more user-friendly?
One of the first errors you should find is that in the while loop there is an AND, whereas it should be an OR. What issues do you think this has caused? And why don't you think the positions match up? Have a look back through the code, fix this problem, and then see if you can explain these issues. Also, think about the list and the way this has been programmed. It starts at 0. Again, this is not user-friendly. How could we improve this? I want you to try and tidy up the game a little bit as well, so thinking about the user-friendliness of it. Could you display the board to make it neater? Could you display the actual positions, so not just a question mark? Could you add validation to stop the user from inputting incorrect data? The number of monsters to guess could increase with the size of the board. So as we choose the size of the board, we could increase the number of monsters. And does this mean we need 2 lists? Have a think about this and try and improve the game. Hopefully you spotted another logical error, that the monsters only ever appear in the first 20 positions. If the board becomes bigger, this becomes an issue. Or if the board is smaller, some of them will be out of range. How could we fix this? Now it's over to you. Can you try to make the program work correctly? Finally, as an extension, how could you extend this game? What could you add into it to make it better?